Okay class, today we are going to learn about math.
Hey teacher,
What is it, Caillou?
can I go to the bathroom?
Sure, Caillou, you can go.
Thanks, Miss Martin. I'm going to pull the fire alarm at school.
Uh-oh. It's the fire alarm that Caillou did.
Oh no.
Class, run. Before the fire is going to burn up the school. Oh no. The school is on fire. Who did this?
Wait a minute. I think it was Caillou. She pulled the fire alarm at school.
Oh, my freaking God. Thanks for telling me, Leo. I will tell Caillou about this. Caillou, get over here right now. Caillou, did you pull the fire alarm at school?
Yes, I did.
Oh. Caillou, how dare you pull the fire alarm at school? That's it. Go home right now, and I'm calling your dad to pick you up.
No.
Oh. Caillou, I cannot believe you pulled the fire alarm at school. That's it. You are grounded for 928,738,273,864 years.
Go to your room right now.